Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've just got a little mini unbagging. It's just plopped through the letterbox and I thought you might like to have a look at it with me. It's just a quick little video, as I say, because it's only a couple of little bits. So I have got 2 little sets of keychains, yay! And you know how much I like my special drills and my little bits. And yeah, I was looking on Vipon, as you do, which is VIPON. It's an app that seems to get special offers for diamond painting and lots of other stuff as well, for Amazon. And some of the offers are really good and some of them aren't brilliant, but it's always worth checking out, and it does lead you to other things as well. You know, there will be other special offers. Some of them actually Amazon is giving the offer anyway, so it's always worth checking out. And I must stop looking. I have been really good in the last few months and not got quite so much, but yeah, these came up and I thought, I'm just gonna have to have those. So yeah, we've got a little bit of a theme. So they are keychains. Just get into them and show you. I do think I paid, well, definitely full price. I mean, the Vipon app did say that there would be £17.98 for 5 keychains, which I wouldn't pay. Unless it was something really special. If it had been 5 Scotty dogs, I probably would have done them. Scotty dog mad, as you know. Having our little Scotty dog, Mealy Moo. And yeah, but they were half price, so it's worked out, what, £9.99. So £2 a keychain. I don't mind, because they are unusual, the ones I've not seen anywhere else. They may be in other places, let me know if you've seen them. But I've certainly not seen these, and I just thought, they're really different, really sweet, and I do use them a lot of times as presents for people. So yeah, I thought I would get this set. So it's come with your little starter toolkit with just a couple of little baggies. Yeah, okay. But look at these. We have a little octopus with a smiley face. Is that not cute? Oh, what? Yeah, love that one. And look at this. It's a little smiley jellyfish. I just love it. I've never seen a jellyfish smiling, but you have now. And then we have a little fish. Well, quite a big fish actually, a big yellow fish. I'm sorry, I don't know what type of fish that is, but it's very pretty, lovely yellowy colour, lovely summery colours. And then we have your little seahorse, your hippocampus, which, yeah, very pretty in greens and blues. And then a smiley starfish. I just love the way that they've put smiles on things that you wouldn't expect to smile. But yeah, isn't that cute? So I just thought, I've got to have those. And then look, these are really good quality lobster claw clasps here. They've got the little lever at the back so that they move really well. This one's a little bit stiff, but I suppose it's better off to have it so that it's not loose at the opening there, otherwise it might come undone a bit easier. But yeah, so that's 1, 2, check we've got them all, 3, 4, oops, and 5, and then, oh, I thought we hadn't got all the chains then. I can't see for looking. Oh, we haven't got all the chains. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, we've got a chain missing. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, I have actually got some spares, so that's okay, but that's not very good to have a chain missing. Okay, I'll have to let them know. But yeah, I say I've got some spares from things that I've not. Oh, that's really odd. That one's got an end on it. That one's got an end on it. That one's got an end on it. So we've got the end, look. We've got the end little like stopper for the keychain, but just not the chain. Because that one's got an end on there as well. How strange. Okay, actually I will put that back on that chain and then I won't lose it, because it may come in handy for something else. I suppose I could split the chain and make it a bit smaller so that I have got 6, but that's not very good. Not for the price I've paid, because I think paying £9.99. Oops, just get that in there. Oh, that one's broken. Okay, I'll leave that as it is. Pop that in there. Yeah, paying £9.99 for 5 keychains is quite high end, to be honest, for what you can buy them for in a lot of places on a lot of the sites. But as I say, I've not seen these ones before, and I just loved those. The octopus and the jellyfish are just fab, smiling away, and even the little starfish smiling. Actually, the fish looks quite happy as well. Don't know about the seahorse. Is he smiling? Sort of. We've got a little bit of a turn up there on the mouth, just a little tiny bit. Okay, let's have a look at these drills and see what we got. Oops, if I can get into them. Right, where's the end on this one? Come on. Oh, there it is. Okay, so... ooh, lots of different colours. Wow. Okay. Oops. Right, so we have a lovely bright orange colour, and a paler orangey peachy colour, and a goldy yellow colour, and a beautiful red, deep red there, and a pink, not quite a hot pink, it's a little bit paler than a hot pink, and a pink, and a silver. Oh, that looks a bit dusty. Don't know if you can see that. Not quite shining as much as they should. A little bit of a pinky purple. And oh, look, 4 different colour blues. All sort of aqua tones to them. And a couple of greeny colours there. Probably all for the seahorse. Okay. Wow, these have been squished into this little packet. Okay, and the specials. So we have, oh, some of them have got boggly eyes. Oh, wow. Oh, and the double-sided as well. Sorry, I didn't say they were double-sided, did I? Yeah, they are all double-sided. Okay, so we have this one, which is those like beautiful iridescent coated, AB coated. They're like shells, really pretty, and I think they're going to go, yeah, number 15 is, oh look, that's going to look stunning on the fish, as these little like fins at the side. And we've got 4 of those, and it looks like we only need 2, so that's good. We've got spares, yay. We've got some yellow round half sphere AB coated. That's number 16. Where does number 16 go? Oh, number 16 is on the starfish. Okay. And number 17 is little teardrops, very pale green teardrops. So I think that one's definitely for the little spikes, the fins on the seahorse. And then number 20, we've got 2 big eyes. It's for the fish, so we've got 1 for each side. So yeah, he's going to have a boggly eye. Oh, that's quite good. I like that idea. Okay. And then, oh right, they've all got boggly eyes. So number 18, look, is the smaller size, and every single one of them has got little boggly eyes. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, I love those. Yay! And then number 19 is just your half sphere red, which again, oh, so this fish has got 3 specials. Wow. He's doing really well. Okay. Oh, I like the fact that they've all got the little wobbly eyes. That's really good. They're going to be really fun once they're done. Okay, so that's the first set. Like those, I say, a little bit disappointed that we've got one of the little chains missing. Must let them know about that and see what they have to say. I suppose with having the wobbly eyes and things, it just makes them that little bit different as well. But yeah, okay. So I'll pop those in there. And actually these aren't sticky either. A lot of the keychains that I've had have been really sticky, and these aren't sticky on the edge. So it's like they've been finished off a little bit more maybe. Okay. Oh, that's the bag that they came in, so I don't know where I got that one from. Anyway, we'll put those in there and those in there. Okay. And then let's have a look at the next set. Again, exactly the same price. And we'll see how many keychains we've got in this one. Same toolkit. Let's see which shop these were from. Yeah, these are from the Pingia Limited store on Amazon. So yeah, Pingia, and they're keychains for kid, adult, special shapes. Kid, adults, yeah, definitely. And these are all blues and sort of silvery colours. So yeah, these are all whales. I think the whales and dolphins, I can't remember. I know they're all sea creatures again, the same. These are all a slightly more grown up one, shall we say, albeit they're still very nice. So we have a large whale there, and again double-sided. Oh, is that a shark? Because it's got a big fin on its back. That could be a shark. And we have a slightly different whale there, and another whale, and another whale. So I wonder if that one is a whale then, because we have got, oh, he's quite a bit bigger than the others, isn't he? And he's a little one. So maybe they're all whales, or maybe that is a shark. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, of your lobster claws. So that's good. We have got one of those for each of them. So how many of these have we got? See if we've got the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we've got the right number in this one, so that's okay. And again, they worked out at the £9.99, so they are like £2 each basically. Double-sided. So yeah, I just thought again they were a different set that I've not seen before, and they're a little bit of a theme to go with my other little seaside set there. Okay, so let's have a look at these drills and see what we've got. Looks like we've got quite a few specials. Oops. Open this one. Okay, so put those to one side. And ooh, that's a nice AB. So we've got another very dusty silver. I don't know what to do with the silvers. I wonder if it's sort of in the part of the process, maybe there's some dust around, or they have to put like, I don't know, some sort of powder on them to stop them sticking together. I don't know, but it does seem to happen quite a bit with silver ones. Just after I've said recently that I haven't seemed to have had many dusty silver ones. I've just had 2 lots now. And then we've got a deep blue, and then those 2 blues. And look at those. I love that colour. That is just, it's like a, I don't know, bluey aqua. Oh, just gorgeous colour. Real, when you see the sea when it's really deep blue in exotic places. And then we've got some AB blues there, which are an iridescent coating on those. Very nice. Okay. Let's have a look at the specials. Oh, look at those. I've not had those before. So that's a very pointed teardrop, faceted with an AB coating on it, like blue and purple. Okay, so that's number 6. So that one's on the fin and the tail of this one. Okay, looks like it's just that one. So he's going to be sparkly. Number 11. It's just your plain black, which looks like it's going to be the eye on a couple of them. And then number 9 is a round faceted blue, which again is on a couple of them. And then we've got your aqua faceted blues there. And then your teardrops, number 7 and number 8. Looks like they're going to be like the tail fins and the little fins. See, it does look like he's got a fin on his top there, which makes him more of a shark. But anyway, okay, he's quite big for a shark if that's a whale. And he's not a great white because he's blue. Oh dear. Okay, let's pop those in there, and let's pop those in there as well, and then we'll put our little whales. Actually, we'll show you our whales. So we've got 5 little whales, and then we got a starfish, and a fish, and a jellyfish, and an octopus, and a little seahorse. Okay, so 10 key rings for £17.98 they've cost me. So we've got 4 whales and possibly a shark, a starfish, a fish, a jellyfish, an octopus, and a little seahorse, all in blue and green. So yeah, just to say a quick little video just to show you some little cute keychains that I got. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up, it's always much appreciated. And if you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Which is your favourite, and do you think that is a shark, or do you think that is a... Well, it's not... I suppose it could be a dolphin, maybe. They have sort of fins. But do they have fins on the back? Yeah, they do, don't they? Anyway, let me know what you think. Okay, well, thank you ever so much for stopping by. If you do want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So thanks for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.